Hello, friends, and welcome back after in Robinhood School of Traders. After a long time, I'm making this kind of video. I've got many calls from my friends, my students. Robin, my portfolio is in negative. They're down by 30 or 40%. Know what to do? Uh, so, guys, two things. As we have seen, particular news, as we expect that the war should be in stalemate for at least 14 odd days. So we expect the market to make higher highs. So sorry, should move on from here. But again, we have seen the nature of the president of Mr. American president. So anything can happen. So is the right time to buy or not? Yes, it has to be stocks specific, and let us see which all stocks we can buy, keep in our radar. So the first stock which comes in our radar is HDFC Bank, fundamentally very strong company, undoubtedly a distinct leader in private sector. So if you see the particular stock, the stock has made some sort of W kind of pattern right from its highs of somewhere in thousands. The stock is now today closed at 816. The first resistance at 840. Then we have a small resistance in the vicinity of 870, 880 kind of thing. If it breaks, then the gap is huge. The first resistance comes in the vicinity of 960. So you have had almost a vicinity of what 18 odd percent. So you can keep the stock in a radar. You can have a price first entry also, and if you are stuck also, you can average this particular stock. The second stock which comes in our radar is TCS. What is very fundamental strong company. See the beating is the stock has taken right from all the highs. Now the stock has made some sort of a U bottom kind of thing. The stock was tottering in this particular resistance for last 7 8 days. It broke it again, fell down today. The first resistance comes in the vicinity of 2569, 600 kind of thing. So the stock has a first resistance in the vicinity of 2900. So the stock is fundamentally a very strong company, barring the news, barring the AIs, and again the dollar and the rupee conflict. So this stock has taken a beating. This is the right time you can buy in. So, guys, what I'm trying to say over here is this particular correction had taken place last time only in Karuna itself, right? So, if you have money, you can buy in staggered way. As I'm telling you, we really don't know the geopolitics or the intention driven by the foreign FIDIs. Just to make you very clear, this FIDS has a melted money in last 30 odd days. So it's not that people who not many, the FIDIs and the people who loved shorting, they have pulled money, they have melted money to anything. And last 3 4 days, the market is making higher highs. So it's up to you how you trade, how you can make money. The next topic which comes is HAL. This is a typical, this war for 30 to 40 odd days has taught us every company that they will undoubtedly the budget of this defense sector have to move, not for India but other companies, other countries also. This is a distinct market leader having its niche in all the products. So the first resistance comes in the vicinity of 4200, then 4400. It has resistance, but this stock is very fundamental and high order book, so you can buy this particular stock if you're stuck, and you can average it out for fresh entry. Also, it looks very good for long term kind of vision. This stock has taken a typical V-shaped recovery as a technical terms, and if you see the RSI also, it has taken RSI 14.99 correction, and it just, if you see the RSI just is popping up in the vicinity of 50 plus, right? Next stock which comes to Bajaj Finserv, this is again a more distinct leader in this particular sector. Again, this stock has taken a huge beating from its higher highs of somewhere between 2100, and it's taken a lovely kind of hammer, and followed by, it was near in the hammer, it was the channel, it broke the channel, and the first resistance comes in the vicinity of 1900. Now we have a huge resistance been over here, then after that the stock can move for 2000. So if you're stuck in the stock, you can buy, average it out for first fresh entry. Also, you have a swing of almost 5 7% in the next 2 to 3 days if things go in line with as per the news which we have got. The next stock is Adani Enterprise, very strong fundamental stock. The stock fell or from all the highs. The stock went, and today it make a typical gap up kind of opening. It was seated somewhere in the vicinity of 2100. It took a resistance and came back. This is making a typical kind of half green kind of doji. So for fresh entries, we can avoid this, but for those who are stuck in this particular stock, can average it out based on their appetite. But if you're averaging out, please average it out. Don't put your money in one shot. Do it in a staggered way, 30 40 40, or it's up to you how much risks you can take. The next stock is Chambal Fertilizer. This stock is, I plotted the stock in a weekly time frame over here. If you see the particular channel, the stock was stuck in the channel of somewhere between 400 and it's caused a channel of 450. Now, if it sustains 460, 480, then we have a headroom till 550, and the stock has seen almost all-time highest of all five 750. The best part of the stock is, despite so much of turbulence in the external factor, the stock has not taken a huge beating compared to other stocks. Nasdaq, what to say about the stock and this particular sector? This sector per se has taken huge beating, but again, this stock, as for last 3 4 days, have taken a correction. This again, the stock is trading within the channel of between 2,300 and 2,000. So if you are for fresh entry, this stock doesn't look for fresh entry. You can trade. For trading, is a very good stock, and for averaging out, it depends upon appetite. So guys, this was a quick video on this stocks. So I'm sure you must have enjoyed the video, and this video will be fruitful for you. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so the whatever video I'm creating comes to you directly. And if you have any questions, do write to me or do call me or do text me. It will be a privilege to serve you. Thank you.